time, but baby, you on my mind. I don't know why, yeah, but the feeling is fine. Can't you see you're high? You're for me, oh, we were meant to be.
Few minutes later.
Let's go, be careful. Dandan lang. Hey, dandan lang. CJ. Oh, go outside. Okay. Alright. Malamig na, malamig. It's not snowing, CJ. It's just cold, okay? Alright. Which car are we gonna use, CJ? Charlene, anong car yung gagamitin natin? Kay Mami? Or kay Daddy? Yeah, Mami ni CJ or kay Daddy? Iglot, anong car yung gagamitin? Which car we gonna use, CJ? CJ? Mommy's car? Gonna use Mommy's car?
Mommy car.
Let's go. Oh, we'll use Mommy's car now. Oh, say hi to camera.
Hello.
You're gonna see this on YouTube, CJ. You're gonna famous now. What? Right. Hello. Say hi, oh. Say hi to the camera. Hey, say hi to the camera. You will see this on YouTube. Say hi. Good morning, everybody. Woo! Pupunta na sila ng school ng mga alaga ko. Alright, let's go. Oh, sit down properly now. Who doesn't have a mask? May mask dyan? Wala. Wala? Oh, shit. No mask there? Okay, sit down. What? Oh, here.
No.
Oh, I forgot it. Out. Sit down now, sit down now. Mga kunin natin sa kabilang kotse. Yung mask na. Okay, Daddy's car. Okay. Iglot, say hi to the camera.
Hello.
Hello, CJ. Oh, say hi there, oh. You see that, Simon? See that? You will see this on YouTube later. Okay? You will see this. You like YouTube or not?
We like YouTube.
Yep.
That's YouTube.
Yep, that's YouTube. We will go on YouTube. We're gonna nope, we're gonna stop there and we're gonna turn chain kwang kwa. Okay? I'm gonna get a mask, okay? Down under your car. Okay?
Leave the camera right here.
Yep.
Oh, it's this kid's car. Hello, my name is Yola. It's this kid's car. There's a person in it. No, we're not.
Bro, what is that, bro? What is that, bro?
Let's put in the camera inside way.
Go sit down. Upo kayo ng mabuti dyan kasi
This is my
taga
car.
sa school. Maliit na kayo. Sit down properly. Papulit nitong mga kabuti nito. So, ginagamit namin yung ano pala guys no, ng kotse ng mami ko. Kasi wala eh. Gusto nila ito eh. Malaki kasi ito eh. SUV kasi ito guys. Kaya Dodge Journey. Let's go! Grabe, malamig.
I'm going to school. Then.
Isip ko na ako.
Where goes here? That's kind of sucks.
Damot-damot ng daan. Hindi nagpapag-giveaway. Okay guys, this is our first video on our YouTube guys. And kasama ko pala si Iglot, si Charlene, si CJ. Mamaya-maya makikita nyo yung school nila guys dito sa Canada. Charlene, right?
What?
You go to school?
Yeah?
You like school? Who likes school?
Yeah.
Nobody?
Me.
Iglot, you like school? CJ? Charlene, you like school?
Yeah.
Charlene?
Yeah.
Biyaya lang yan guys,
We're
pero
in high school.
Hindi nila gusto yan magpasok kasi
May the rice school.
gusto nila matulog.
Yeah. May the rice school. May the rice school. The rice school.
You don't like school now?
Yeah.
That's okay, don't worry. Who likes new toys?
Me.
You. Oh, you have to go to school first before new toys. Who wants monster truck?
Not the good.
Why? Not Iglot.
I hate it.
Country road.
I hate myself.
Take me.
Here we go down.
Yeah.
I'm gonna buy it.
So, hindi na alam guys, no? Malapit lang pala yung school nila dito sa amin. So, tinitiraan namin. Oh, we're going to school now, okay? Wait for me, okay? Bago kayo umalis, hintayin niyo ako.
What?
Ang lamig ng aking puwet. Yeah. Ang aking kamay. Oh, dito tayo paparado.
It goes to go
Tang,
like cat.
tang, tang, tang.
Here,
What?
buy cat. Or I got.
Who wants the cat? You want to buy a cat? Okay, don't worry.
It's a video right dog. I'm going to show it to you orange.
What? So, ito pala si, guys, si Iglot, tsaka si Charlene, tsaka si CJ. Si Iglot ay
In the car.
iba yung entrance ng school niya dun sa likod. So, ito si Charlene, tsaka si CJ. Yan. Hindi niya kilala si CJ, tsaka si Charlene. Magkaedad na sila. 4 years old si CJ, 5 years old si Charlene. So, just like the Charlene, no?
Eating booger.
Magka-same entrance sila sa school ni Charlene tsaka CJ.
Dum-dum.
Let's go! Ready, guys? Why no?
Okay, thank you. I know. Just wait.
Wait a minute. Let me open the door first. Now? Ha? Oh, you go now.
Where's CJ going?
Unahan mo na si CJ doon, no? Kasi nauna na. Kasi malilit ka na. Sige na, go. Faster. Oh, nagre-ring na yung ano, no? Nagre-ring na ang bell. Yan. Yan yung school nila, guys, no? Sa mga di nakakalam, dito lang yung school nila, oh. Yan, oh. Yan, dyan sila papasok ngayon. Itong si CJ kasi, guys, maano to pagpapasok sa school. Matokmol to, eh. Nag-snow pa yung grass, oh. Wala pa akong medyas. Yeah, it's freezing now. Go, wear your mask now. CJ, wear your mask now. Faster. You... Ah, shit. CJ. Yay. CJ, follow. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, CJ. Wala na, pasok na.